The other day we had a circuit that we worked on 4 different times because we would clear the trees, get the circuit back up. 10 minutes later, it would go back out because another tree fell on it. And so we were just back and forth chasing our tail, clearing trees, get the power back on, and nope, it's back out, go find some more trees to clear. And it was just this constant battle that we were going through. Just the trees in general are challenging. We've got to do a better job. The citizens need to do a better job of letting us clear our lines and getting these trees away from it, because this is our big problem, is we have trees on these power lines and it's taking out huge chunks of customers because of it. So, and if we can't get our trucks to it, we have to walk it, and we have to cut everything by hand, do everything by hand, which takes a little bit longer to get the people back on. You got a sense of accomplishment when you come out here and you get the lights turned back on, and to see them go back off, it just takes all the wind out of your sails. So when you're out here working, 16-hour days in the ice trying to get everybody back on, and it's not working for you, it's very frustrating. But you just got to pick up and keep going, adapt and overcome. That's what we do.